Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the Canadian coin. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Now let's continue. The front of this coin, you will see here the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. And on the lower side, you will see here the du- uh, dual date 1952 and 2002. And on the other side of this coin, you will see the uh, 1 cent at the upper portion and the leaves of maple leaves on stem, and at the lower part there is a Canada. Now let's continue. Let's talk about the the Canadian one cent coin with 1952 and 2002 days commemorative coins. Queen Elizabeth II Golden Jubilee featuring her effigy and jewel dates on the obverse with maple leaves on the reverse, and came in two main types in 2002: copper plated zinc non-magnetic and copper plated steel magnetic marked with AP. These were circulating commemorative coins, with the letter P version plated still being slightly rarer and sought after by collectors, alongside standard version. Now let's talk about the coin details. Dual dates on the front 1952 and 2002, on the obverse front for the Jubilee. It depicts Queen Elizabeth II, and the reverse features two maple leaves on, on a stem. Composition 2002 copper-plated zinc, non-magnetic copper-plated steel with P magnetic slightly heavier. Vintage both types were produced for circulation in 2002. For collectors, both the standard non-magnetic and the plated steel version are collected, with the E version being slightly more valuable in uncirculated condition. These coins were part of regular mint rolls and available in special sets. The value of this coin, it depends on the condition of the commemorative coins. Now guys, let's talk about the secret. The secret of this coin is this commemorative coin is magnetic. Okay, this commemorative coin is magnetic. 1952 and 2002. Now let's talk about the this one is 1981 1981 1 cents Canada. Okay, so this is non-magnetic. Okay, this is non-magnetic, guys. Yeah. So that is the secret of this coin. The commemorative coin 1952 and 2002, that is magnetic. But the year 1981 and other coins maybe are non-magnetic. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you very much.